Kita-kits tayo bukas. Cup of Joe in Dubai.
Okay guys, so tatatuan kami. Last time na nakita ko si CJ, umisita pa siya sa apartment para kumuha na sticky mouth shades. Sobrang na-appreciate ko yun. Tapos ngayon magkikita kami dito sa Dubai after ng show nila. That's something else. Kita sa lobby guys.
Dito po ba yung meet and greet? Meet and greet po.
What's up?
Basta.
Kamusta?
Kaya pa ba?
Kaya pa. Ikaw, kaya pa.
Okay lang. Natulog ako buong hapon eh.
Tara.
Hello po.
Hello namin.
Boss. Hi.
Stylist.
Kaya yan. Kaya yan. Magbabiral yan.
Time check. It's 2 AM. Kasama akong mga rockstar dito. Uy! Ganda boss! Inabot kami na almost 8 AM. So yeah, that's it. At uuwi kami ng Pilipinas. Ayun, tapos na kami. Tatid ako ng mga homies. Next year na ulit sa annual thing. Look at this view.
Thank you, kuya.
Thank you.
Thank you ulit.
Solid.
So much, kuya.
Ingat kayo.
Here we go.
I ain't at war with myself, I just call the troops. I pray to God to keep the peace, I still let it loose. Pasadena, California, thought you knew. Right at the top of Los Robles, what it do? Station wagon, turn the caddy tires, spin off. Can't be scared the thorn from the shoulders, get off. Caught my first fade from Sadiq, it's a dime, took an L, but it's cool, wasn't scared, so I'm fine.